Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening the Google app and navigating to Settings, then Google Assistant. This connects account and device. Make sure you're logged into the correct Google account and that the device is on the same Wi-Fi network. Once done, select Voice Match or Assistant Voice Settings to begin enrollment. Speak in a quiet room and keep your phone or speaker about arm's length away. This ensures the recorder captures consistent volume and tone, so the model learns your voice accurately. Now you'll record the samples the assistant needs to recognize you. You'll be prompted to speak the wake phrase several times. Say it naturally and avoid whispering so the model captures your typical cadence. Make subtle pitch and emphasis variations across takes, then wait while the app processes and trains the voice model. If noise interrupts, the system will ask to retry, so pause and repeat clean takes when requested. This training improves reliability across different rooms and speaking styles. Finish by testing the assistant with the wake phrase and a simple command like "What's the weather?" If it responds reliably, the setup is complete. If recognition degrades, retrain voice match from the same menu. Make sure microphone permissions are granted and remove nearby noise sources. One key troubleshooting tip: if errors persist, reboot the device and redo the training in a quiet room. This often clears cached audio artifacts and restores recognition accuracy quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.